Alright, so here we have a loop lock anchor that's been stripped out and it's stuck in this up position here. So what we end up doing for these is, first off, you want to take a drill with a bit that's the same size as the hole, just slightly smaller than your 1/4 inch. Clean it out. If it's stripped out even further down, you can drill that out further down. You can go ahead and drill out some more of the brass. But then take your Allen wrench, then hammer it in good. When you do that, you'll cut new slots in that hole because brass is softer. And you may have to whale pretty hard, but that's going to get you down. And usually that will hold. If it starts to split out or you start to slip again, then you want to take it out, drill it out some more, and put your wrench even deeper. So what we've done also is added water to it. Really shouldn't use WD-40 or any other lubricants like that because it will attract the sand and the grit will get stuck on it. It provides a sticky surface, so it aggravates the problem. And that's what's happened here. So the sand and the grit has gotten down inside it. So what we're going to do is a couple things. One, I'm going to go ahead and screw it down. And then we're going to take some water. I'm just going to grab some pool water. Put around it here. I'm going to back it out. And when we back it out, we're creating a vacuum down inside. And so I'm going to work it back and forth a little bit. And that's going to work the water down around the threads and kind of break up. I tore up my back of my hand on the deck earlier. But so that's going to work its way down in there. Sometimes it's just a matter of going back and forth, back and forth. And you're gaining a little bit every time. Just gotta be patient. As long as it's moving, you're doing good. And it's coming. Here we go. Now before I get it out all the way, I'm going to go ahead and get this out because it's jammed in there pretty good. I guess I'm going to screw it down a little bit. Get it on out, loosen it up. There we go. Well, looks like I have to keep it down in there good. Still got a bit of effort. So I'm going to back it on out. Now to clean it, I'm going to take some water, fill it full of water. And when you put the anchor back in, it's going to push down on that water. When that water is compressed, it's going to come up through the threads and it's going to flush those threads out and all the gunk that's in it will end up right here on the surface. So I'm going to flush that off again. You can see real easy now. It's gotten so easy I can do it with a finger. And the water's all down in there. And we've got this one done. So that's how you want to take care of them.